Hi, thanks for tuning in to Tuesday Tours with Elizabeth. Today I want to show you something that I find to be absolute luxury, and that would be a laundry room on the second floor right next to the master. Come with me, folks, while I show you. The days of schlepping up and down the stairs with your laundry are over, folks. Here we have your laundry room on the second floor, conveniently located by your master bedroom at the end of the hall. So no more losing socks up and down the stairs of the journey to the laundry room. Those days are over. We also have the ability to put in a sink with some fine cabinets to store all of your laundry goods. Could you imagine doing laundry here, folks? I sure can. Thanks for tuning into this week's Tuesday's Tours with Elizabeth. We appreciate you, and we also want to remind you that we are now taking virtual appointments, so call today and book your virtual appointment. We're happy to help you, and we're here to help you. Thank you so much.